How to log in QNB online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you log into your QNB online banking account. So let's get started. First, open any browser on your device. After you open browser, in the search field, search for QNB online banking. After you search it, at the top you can easily find the official site of QNB internet banking. After you find it, tap on that. Okay, from this section you'll have to provide your username and password to be login. After you provide username and password here, tap on the option login over here. After you tap on that, you can easily access your QNB online banking account, or you can also recover your username or password by tapping on the option forgot username or reset password. After you do that, you can easily access QNB online banking on your device. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.